Hi guys, my spring onions look so lame, so I had to buy spring onions because I'm gonna make Haemul Pajeon today. Haemul means seafood, Pajeon means pancake. No. Pajeon means spring onions pancake. So it will be spring onions seafood pancake. Okay? You need garlic chives, spring onions, onion, zucchini, red chili, squid. Of course, fresh one is better, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 inside. And prawns. Of course, you can buy fresh ones. And pancake mix. I've tried from the scratch before, and it was a piece of shit. You also need tempura mix. 3, 2, 1. Wash the prawns and squid. Defrost in the cold water. You can skip this, but I like my pancake with zucchini. Cut the garlic chives into half. The original ingredient is Asian scallion, but I forgot to buy when I went to Asian market. So you can use spring onions, but you have to cut it into half because it's too thick. Probably you think, wow, but actually this is really easy. You just cut the same place. Don't cut the squid too thin, it will be shrunk. Peel off the skin and you have to take something out. You know what? I was calling this part as prawns poo all the time. But then I realized that people call this guts. If you harden the prawns, you can take the guts really easily. Look. Ooh. If you mix pancake mix and tempura mix, your pancake will be really crispy. Icy cold water or sparkling water makes it crispy. Don't stir too much, your pancake will be gooey. This is how I do. I just do it roughly. Don't worry about the lumps, they will be dissolved. Preheat the pan high heat. The pan has to be covered completely. Prepare all the ingredients around the pan and prepare yourself. I feel gorgeous. This is okay sign. After you put the dough, you have to turn down the heat. Now you can build up the pancakes. Put anything you want, but don't make it too thick. push it down a little bit and put some seafood. And this is really important, close with the dough, otherwise they will escape when you flip it. 1 egg on the top and break the egg yolk. Trust me, this is how they really do. And put some chili as much as you want. This is really important. Make sure the oil goes everywhere. Add more oil if it's not enough. When the edges turn brown, it's time to flip. Don't hesitate, you can do it. After 4 or 5 minutes, it will be done. Let's make the sauce. So this pancake is called Dongnae Pajeon. Dongnae is the name of the town where this pancake came from. It looks great, it tastes great, but a little pain in the ass. Well, let's make it easy. So cut the chives and spring onions and mix everything together. Clean the pan. Okay, go over the list. Preheat the pan high heat. After the dough, turn down to low heat. Be quick when you flip it. Put a lot of oil. Make sure oil goes all over the pan. This is really important. Absorb excess oil with kitchen paper. This will make your pancake more crispy. What can we make with this squid? Please like it if you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.